Okay, guys, I finally caught up with Dogecoin dog, the Shiba Inu, and he's just down the beach. I was out for a ride and found him. Found him. There's a few Shiba Inus in Adelaide, but this is the guy that was on the Elon Musk coins. If we look at Elon here, he was right into Doge at one stage, and even said he was gonna you could pay for the SpaceX mission to the moon with your Dogecoins and that sort of thing, and he was just getting in on a joke, and everyone was taking him a bit too seriously. I think Elon jokes around quite a bit, and but people worship him too much, and they all invested in Dogecoin. So I thought, let's not listen to Elon. Let's listen to Doge Dog himself. And what does Doge Dog have to say about Dogecoin? Does he think it's a valuable investment? Let's have a listen. Here we go. Here we are with Dogecoin Dog. Are they
Shiba Inu. Yeah,
Shiba Inu?
Such.
Is Doge going up or down?
Down.
Look at that.
See, he's put his nose down. It's going down. It's going to the ground.
I think that's, it's following Bitcoin.
It's following Bitcoin.
That's it. You've heard it straight from the doggy's mouth. Don't invest in Doge. Forget Elon Musk. Cheers.
I'll check it out. It'll be on YouTube.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. He wanted to be on YouTube, and I thought, it's a bit silly, but why not? Let's put little Doji Dog. Look at his cute little face. How could I not put this on YouTube? I looked at his little face, and I thought, no, we're gonna make you famous, little Doji Dog. And here you are on Walrus Riders channel, giving us some financial advice. Not me. I don't give financial advice. Doji Dog did. You saw right there. He put his little nose down. Look at that. Nose to the ground. That's the way Dogecoin is heading. Down, down, down to the ground. And if you look at the charts, let's look at the little Doji charts here. It had a bit of a spike here when Elon Musk took over Twitter, because I think that everyone thought they were going to he was going to promote Dogecoin again, but he didn't. He just sacked people. He just sacked all the snowflakes, and people realized, okay, he's not mentioning Doge, and it went from like 19 cents down to 13 it is now. So I personally don't see a future in it, but I'm not giving financial advice. You're not meant to give financial advice on YouTube unless you get a licensed financial advisor, so I'm not giving you any financial advice. You can see for yourself. Same with Bitcoin. I did some videos on Bitcoin. Everyone said, have fun, stay poor. Have fun staying poor. I said, I don't believe in Bitcoin either. And that's when it was up around the 60,000 US. I mucked around with Bitcoin for a bit there, made about $1,000 from it. A lot of work, because I was in this sort of region here and was mucking around buying the dips and selling and buying and selling. But the spread was like 3%. So, unless it moves 3%, you couldn't even make anything. So between the buy and sell price of 3% roughly, once you've taken all your fees and everything. So it was a silly game. But anyway, I learned about crypto. That was one good thing about it. And it's your money, guys, if you want to invest in this stuff. Just look at the charts, do your own research. It's not looking too good, I don't think. But I'll leave a link to my video I did ages ago up there. Put it over there. And you can have a look for yourself what I think of Bitcoin, why I don't think it's either a currency or an investment, and my reasons why, and you just go from there. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Get the information, all your information you want, and make your own decisions. Talk to your financial advisors and that sort of thing. Do your research. Yeah. all this came about because FTX collapsed. And there's also going to be like central bank digital coins are going to be issued soon. US are doing trials on it, so my theory is they're going to push out the private coins and make them illegal or push them out somehow and regulate them to buggery, and the government want you to have their own digital coins, digital yuan, digital US Federal coins are going to be coming soon, I'd say. And that's my opinion. There we go. So hope you like that. Little Doji dog does not like Dogecoin at all. I don't either. And but make up your own mind. Put some comments in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.